Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to fix Windows game bar not opening. If the Windows game bar is not opening, try these steps to fix it. Enable Xbox game bar. Press Win plus I to open these settings. Go to Gaming, Xbox game bar, then toggle Open Xbox game bar using this button on a controller to on position. Then try pressing Windows plus G to open it. Restart game bar services. Press Win plus R, then type the codes, link in the description below, and hit enter. Find Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Game Monitoring, and Game Services. Right-click each service, then choose to click Restart. Reset Xbox game bar. Open Settings again, Apps, Installed Apps or Apps and Features. Find Xbox game bar, click Advanced Options, then choose Reset. Reinstall Xbox game bar. Open PowerShell as administrator and run this code, and use this code, link in the description below. Then reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. After these steps, try pressing Windows plus G again. Your game bar should work. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.